DEWALT's DCL040 20V Max LED flashlight features added lumens for brighter visibility as well as a pivoting head and hands-free capabilities, all of which combines for a versatile and durable work light that's ideal for any workshop, garage, or job site. DEWALT's line of 20V Max lithium-ion tools features improvements in engineering and design to provide the performance, ergonomics, and innovation that contractors require. When paired with the 20V Max 3.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, not included, the DCL040 provides up to 11 hours of light output. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Visual LED bar graph indicates the presence of voltage. The higher the voltage sensed, or the closer to the voltage source, the more LEDs light up. A bright flashlight illuminates the work area and may be used independently of the voltage detection function. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Pivoting head. Multitasking has never been easier than with the DCL040, which has a 120-degree pivoting head with 11 detent positions, extending the range of visibility and optimizing the light projection angle. Number 2. Bright LED output 110 lumens. Number 3. Integral hook for hands-free use in multiple placements. Number 4. The head rotates 120 degrees. Number 5. Low heat output compared to xenon lights. Number 6. Efficient LED bulb improves runtime. Number 7. 11 to 25 hours of run time depending on battery amp hour. Number 8. Maximum initial battery voltage, measured without a workload, is 20 volts. The nominal voltage is 18. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will a DCB207 battery work on the flashlight? Answer. Yes, our 20 volts batteries and chargers are interchangeable within our 20 volts product line. Question number 2. Does this light comes with a battery? Answer. No, batteries and chargers are sold separately. Question number 3. Will my Black & Decker 20 volts 4.0 Ah max pole sub batteries fit this one? Answer. It will not fit. Company the same, but design is different. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.